the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Volk Fi. So before I get further into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to a lower Android. He did a video about Volk Fi on his YouTube channel. So that's how I know about this new cell phone service was from his video. So check out his video. That will be the second link below if you guys are interested in checking out his video. If you guys want to check out this website here, volkfi.com, it will be the first link in the video description. So check it out if you guys are interested, alright? So Volk Fi, I don't know much about it, obviously, because I heard it from a lower Android's video. That's how I know about this new cell phone carrier. So it's pretty interesting. So I figured I'd do a video about it for you guys that might be interested in this. You know, y'all guys might want to try something new, and this might be something you guys might want to try out. So this new cell phone service is called Volk Fi, VOLKFI. So pretty interesting there. It says internet access for everyone, everywhere, linking users together into a long-range scalable network. Some people might like that linking users together thing. Some people might not like that. Okay, depends on who you are. There's the phone right there, the Volk 1. Pretty nice phone. That's decent, you know what I'm saying? Specs on this phone are actually pretty good as well. Okay. It says here, we have created a smarter phone that doesn't need cell towers, simply other phones. No contract needed. So how it works, you can use home Wi-Fi, use your Volk 1, and then use other people's Volk 1. So that's interesting. Some people will like that, and some people will not like that. You know, just throwing it out there. And there's the phone right there, the Volk 1, interconnects to other Volk 1s up to 4 miles apart. Adaptive coverage and reliable service. We'll get more into the phone here in just a bit. You guys can reserve your copy of the Volk 1 now. Shipping date is sometime this year, obviously, so we don't know that. The phone does look pretty nice, you know what I'm saying, not too bad. And if you guys want to get more, if you guys want to stay up to date with Volk Fi, you guys can put your email right there, and y'all guys can stay up to date. Alright. So how it works, we'll go there first, because you guys are probably wondering how this works. That's probably like you guys' biggest question: how does it work? And show you guys that here. So Volk Fi is a crowdsourced mobile network. So that's pretty cool. It says it starts with you. Connect your Volk Fi router to your home internet to make a long-range hotspot for your Volk 1 phone. So what you do is you connect your Volk Fi router to your home internet. So it's interesting there, and you share it with others. Some people might like that, some people will not like that, you know, kind of like, you know, like you like security reasons and stuff like that. Some people are not gonna like that. Okay, it says your Volk Fi router provides connectivity to Volk 1 users nearby. So if you live in the city and other people have Volk 1s near you, they can connect onto your network and stuff like that. I know you probably will not like that, but I don't know. I think this thing's gonna have a mixed bag. I think this service is gonna be a mixed bag, because you know it's gonna be something new for people to try out, and then some people are gonna be like, they are not gonna like, you know, all this sharing and stuff like that. Then others share with you. It says when you're away from home, you can connect via other Volk Fi routers and phones, providing everyone access even at a distance. Multi-hop routing allows you to reach devices that are further away. So let's say you're at home or whatever, Here we go. There's like a little map here. What's that? That's a Wi-Fi network. Say you're at home here. Let's say that you're at home using your Wi-Fi and using your Volk 1, and someone nearby can hop on your Volk 1 and use it, and someone else is like 8 miles away from you can hop on your Volk 1 and all that. And y'all guys can see the little map there, all with fair usage. Volk Fi meters each. Volk Fi meters each user's data contribution and allows them to use the same amount for free. And more coverage, not less. Instead of slowing down or becoming less reliable from congestion, Volk services actually gets faster and more reliable. That's pretty interesting. Pricing. Building a network one person at a time. I guess that's the thing. So yeah guys, this is the phone, the Volk 1. Nice looking phone, pretty good specs there. You have two options here. You have Midnight Black, which is 64 gigs, or Snow White is 256 gigs. So if you guys click on that, it's $4.99. So it's $4.99 for the 64 gigabyte version, and it's $5.99 for the 256 gigabyte version. You guys will get the Volk 1 smartphone plus the Volk Fi router that will be included in your order. So people will actually be connecting to the. So you connect your. So you connect this to your home internet, and that's how and that's how it works. Alright. So it's 5 gigabytes of free data per month and $1 gigabyte for additional data, or unlimited free data is available if you help the network and share your Wi-Fi. Now, $1 a gigabyte is not bad. It's a lot better than other services. Charges like $10 per gig, but Volk Fi will charge you $1 per gig. So if you guys use 10 gigs, it would charge you $10 for 10 gigs. Not bad on that part. Okay. So that's how that works. I suggest you guys read this over and read it carefully. Hopefully I'm explaining it to you the best I can. Probably not, but let's go check out the Volk 1 phone real fast. This is the only phone that they have currently. You can only use this phone. It's a very nice phone. Pretty decent specs on it as well. Wait for it to load up here. So I think Volk Fi uses GSM and CDMA networks. I think it uses like T-Mobile and Verizon coverages, I believe. So the phone here, I'm waiting for it to load up here, but the phone does look very nice. Specs on it is pretty nice as well. You can reserve your order for the phone if you guys want. So Volk Fi is basically a crowdsourced cell phone carrier, basically what it is. Also, if you guys are looking to try something new, Volk Fi could be could be something that you guys might be interested of trying out. So it basically tells you guys the first phone that doesn't need cell towers, simply other phones. That's basically what this whole cell phone carrier is about. Sharing and stuff like that. You have new long range technology built in. Ultra low power long range radio connects Volk devices from miles away. You have long range radio and end-to-end encryption, so that is a win. Connect with the Volk Fi network. Seamless connect to any Volk device for reliable coverage everywhere. Connect up to 4 miles away. Multi-hop. I don't know why this stuff's not loading down here. There's the specs on the phone there. It says we can crowdsource internet and provide free service to everyone on the network. Okay. Everything you need in the phone. Also, there's Volk 1 smartphone that is pure and unlike Android. We don't install bloatware or delay updates. So this phone has dual camera, 16 megapixel, 4K and auto HDR on the back, 6.2 inch LCD display that's 1080 by 2280 pixels, 402 ppi. That's 19 by 9 ratio. 3700 battery, keeps you connected all day long, and of course you have Snapdragon 845 processor. That's a flagship processor from 2018, so not bad, alright. And it says octa-core up to 2.5 gigahertz. Page is still loading. Jesus freaking Christ. Starting at $4.99. Tech specs. So I don't know why phone's not loading here, but you guys know what the phone looks like. Just you guys a picture of it there. I don't know why the page is still loading, but whatever. So the Volk 1 has a 6.2 inch display, 1080 by 2280, 402 ppi, 19 by 9 screen ratio, sensors, fingerprint, hail, accelerometer, gyroscope proximity, RGB ambient light sensor, electronic compass sensor hub, USB-C, supports USB audio nano SIM slot, 3700 battery. You have bottom firing speaker, 3 microphone with noise cancellation, supports AANC, direct HD sound, and direct power sound. Now, vibrations, haptic feedback, and does all your connectivity options: Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, Volk Fi, 915 megahertz, 6.4 kilometers text, 3.2 kilometers voice, 1.3 kilometers video, and it uses both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900 megahertz spectrum. FDD LTE is the bands there. TD LTE and CDMA is BCO BC1. Dimensions of the phone is 155.2 millimeters by 76.1 millimeters and 27 millimeters there. The phone weighs 179 grams. You're available in 2 colors: midnight black or snow white. And it does aluminum and glass. That's pretty nice. I mean, for $500 you better be getting something at least premium wise, you know what I'm saying? It has Android Pie out the box, Snapdragon 845, octa-core gigahertz or 2.5 gigahertz, Adreno 630, 4 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage or 256 gigabytes of storage with UFS 2.1. You have dual 16 megapixel cameras in the back, audio HDR, 4K resolution at 30 frames, 1080p video at 60 frames LED flash, and aperture f1.7. So yeah, there you guys have it. I want to find download here, but the phone does look very nice. It doesn't look trash or nothing. And now the page started to finally load, but you know, y'all guys saw the picture of the phone on the home page there. It's a very nice phone. This is very interesting. Y'all guys can check it out. I don't see nothing in here about pricing or nothing like that, so I think it's like free or some shit, but that's kind of interesting there. So how it works is you buy the phone, and y'all guys will get a Volk Fi router, and you connect your phone to that. So yeah, this is very interesting. If you guys are interested in checking this out, like I said, a link to this will be down below to check out this website. That'll be the first link. If you guys want to check out a lower Android's video on this, that would be the second link. So check out his video, and I think he said that he has already signed up for it or something like that. So we'll be interested to see what he thinks about the service when he gets the phone and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So there you guys have it. Volk Fi is a new crowdsourcing cell phone carrier. If you guys are interested in checking it out, go ahead and check it out. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.